On today's video, we have this PULWTOP MacBook Docking Station. Let's get this thing unboxed and check out what it can do. Stay tuned. So what does this thing do? Well, connect it to your laptop's USB-C port to the docking station and instantly add 11 essential ports. Increase your ports from 2 all the way to 11. And look at the ports that you get. USB-A, RJ45, HDMI, 2 of them, USB, another USB-A, 2 USB-Cs, SD and micro SD card as well. And if you want to run power through it, you will need an adapter as well. Compatible with MacBook Pro, Air, M3, and MacBook Pro and M4, and it doubles as a laptop stand with that nice sleek design. Just plug and play and you are good. You can perfectly mirror and extend your screens to HD TVs, monitors, and projectors. You can enjoy high-speed internet with the RJ45 Ethernet connection. Wow! And you connect keyboards, mouse, monitors, Ethernet, USB-A, and USB-C all at the same time. Need power? You can charge with the 100-watt charger port, but you will need an adapter. It's a perfect device for users that need more than just the 2 included ports, and that was the MacBook Docking Station. Buy yours now.